Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Joestar. Today we're doing some more science talk about the space shuttle or spaceship. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more notifications when I upload videos. So let's get started. So this, you might be thinking, is the main rocket. The back orange one. Well, sadly, it isn't. This big orange tank is actually a fuel tank. These are external booster rockets, each carrying their own fuel. So this is not much necessary. Let's talk about the launch pad. So here's the mover. For my sample, the mover is stuck to the launch pad, but usually the launch pad is separate and the mover is separate. Once it carries the launch pad back to the launching area or the launching platform, there is where this mover gets separated from the launch platform. This is the place where the astronauts go. This is just the engine. These are the three main boosters of the whole mechanism, and these two are the ones which help it get into orbit. Each of them have their own tanks. Now here at the nose, here we have thrusters to make it in the right position. These holes, they're thrusters. And this part from here to this black line is where the actual astronauts go. So this is where the control panel is and the astronauts are. And this actually lands like an airplane. So it does not land on the launching platform. It has these wheels that just pop out when they're near the ground. And once they pop out, they make a landing. And then since there's no more fuel, this cannot move. So there's a crane near every single runway, and then the crane is going to lift up the main rocket, and then it's going to keep it on an airplane. This is not some random airplane. This is the space airplane. So this goes on top of the airplane. Then the airplane flies and takes it back to the repair center where it's repaired for its next launch. There are 6 of these types. 2 of them were broken in accidents. 4 of them are in museums, and one of those 4 in the museums is this rocket, the actual rocket which we use. So first, once these 2 have done their job, they're off. So they separate. Then the spaceship is on its own. So the 3 main engines use the fuel in the external tank and move on. But once the external tank is done its job, it's gone too. The external tank is not reusable, and the external boosters, they're reusable. The rocket or the actual spacecraft, this is also reusable. So these go away, and then once they go off, it's all by its own, but it has no gas for these. So they use the smaller thrusters here, the backup thrusters with their own fuel to get into orbit. That's all for today, and I'll see you in my next video.